Instagram is popular social media app where you can post videos, photos to get more followers, and it's super easy to download and install. This tutorial review will show you how to download and install the Instagram app on your mobile. If you're an Android user, then open Play Store, and if you're an iPhone user, then open the App Store. And here search for Instagram, and you will get the Instagram app here. So all you have to need just install the Instagram app from here, and once it's installed, open it. And it's time to create a new account, to log into your account. And now you can log into your account. You can create an account from here. So this is how we can download and install Instagram app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.